Hi, thank you for joining us to meet a GOED member today, where we introduce you to the entire omega-3 universe, one member at a time. Today's member will be UBM, who will be represented by its brand manager, Julien Bonvalet. Julien, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, Chris. Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me and giving me the opportunity to introduce myself.
Absolutely. And let's jump right in and give you that opportunity. What is it that you would like the GOED membership generally to know about UBM?
And I guess a lot of you will be familiar with what we do, which is organizing FI and HI exhibitions. And I know that some of you do attend the exhibition either as visitors or exhibitors. And as brand manager, I kind of coordinate, the different teams involved in the delivery of the events. UBM and GOED have an ongoing partnership where we organize pavilions at a number of our events, and those events are the health ingredient brand, and we do that in a couple of the countries where we organize those events, and that would be China, Japan, and Europe, and we've done that since a few years. And I like to believe it's really beneficial both for GOED members as for UBM. Clearly, omega-3 being such an important topic and trend within the industry, we really are pleased with the opportunity to have content specific to omega-3s that is available to the visitors on the show.
And what about the way that experience informs yours and or UBM's view of the future? What do you think the single biggest challenge is that the omega-3 industry should be ready for?
Well, I think, I'm far from being an expert, and I'm sure a lot of you will actually be a lot more knowledgeable than I am. But what I gather from different, articles and information I've come across is that I think traceability is probably quite a challenge, and I mean it's important for any industry involved in food. I think sustainability is probably another area which has quite a lot of importance. Again, I mean, consumers are very conscious, of where their food and whatever is, included in their food comes from. And the other challenge I seem to have understand is it's important for the omega-3 industry is actually omega-3s are quite easily to incorporate in supplements, I understand, but it's quite a lot more challenging to actually add omega-3s to food products. And I guess those are some of the challenges that the omega-3 industry is currently looking into.
And Julien, if we could ask you to get a little creative and choose a metaphor to kind of represent the character or special qualities of UBM, which would you choose and why?
Right. So when I look at events, which is our core business, there's a huge interdependency between the different stakeholders, and by that I mean that exhibitors are very much depending on visitors, but there is also the influence of association, of governmental organizations as well. So when I look at that, I think we could probably look at events as some kind of an ecosystem.
Well, great. Thank you so much again for your time, Julien. I'll make sure that as many of our members as would like to know how to get in touch with you with any questions about UBM and maybe some exhibitions and kind of taste the spirit of that ecosystem or that habitat. Thanks again.
Thanks to you, Chris. Thanks again for giving me this opportunity. And yes, please get in touch for any questions or if you'd like to meet at one of our events sometimes in the future.